Twanna Y'vette. Hey, Victory Village. Welcome back to the channel. Today I have an unboxing, which is why I am not on the screen. I got some stuff from Amazon, and I don't know what's in these packages. I don't know because I can't remember what I ordered, but we're going to unbox these. First of all, excuse my voice, okay? I got things going on. I think it's sinus issues, but don't quote me on that. So, yeah, let's just get into this and see what we got. Hopefully I'm not cutting the actual... What is it? Oh! My cell phone case. Do you guys know I ordered this cell phone case like 2 days ago? Is it a day ago or 2 days ago? And it's here already. This is a mobile case. It's just a case for my regular cell phone. I needed one, and I was like, well, I keep dropping it, but it has not cracked or anything. I just want to be careful. Plus, it has this little thing on the back or whatever, so this is going to be pretty cool. But I didn't think it was going to get here this quick. That was fast. Alright, next package. Alright, let's see what we've got. Oh my god. I do have a ceramic comb. I had to get this comb. And, ooh, some bands for the wigs. So you guys are going to see this in full action. This is going to be really good because I have a couple of lace fronts and I'm in the market to get a new lace front. I want an all over lace 360. So there is a free comb, like an edge comb that comes in here, but I really wanted the bands or whatever, so I can't wait to fully unbox this for you guys and show you how to use them, how I intend to use them, talk about the quality and all of that kind of stuff. So we're going to do a product review with this. We're also going to do a product review with the ceramic pressing comb. This is electric. It gets up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, so you may want to be very careful when using this, but I cannot wait to get this on my wigs to see how this is going to do. Like, I have not used a hot comb in years or whatever, but I don't expect that I'm going to be using a lot of products with this. It is just to straighten out the top portion of my wigs or whatever. So and it was affordable. It was really affordable. So I was super excited to get this. Like, I said, I ordered some things, but I didn't know what all I ordered. So I'm like, oh snap, what is it today? I didn't order that much stuff. I mean, but I'm just saying, you know. And then you never know in which order they're gonna come. You know what I mean? Like, and then when I got home, I had packages on the porch, but I had went to the post office to get packages. So I was like, what's up with all this stuff? Alright, let's see. Third package we're opening up. Let me move this out of the way. Whatever it is, it's got a carrying case to it. Is this me? Is this me? Oh, what is this? Do you people really have to child-proof every package that you send? Oh snap. Oh snap. I know what this is. I'm so excited. Okay, so this right here is the heated waist belt with massage. So like if you have monthly cramps, if you have back problems, you know, any of the things, this right here is definitely for you. I saw this on Amazon. I had to get it. You know, I have gastroparesis and my stomach bothers me a lot. So I have similar cramping and stuff like that. I am so excited to get this. I cannot wait to plug it up and use it. A heated waist belt massage. And I was like, I don't really care about the heat, but I definitely care about the massage. So I cannot wait to do a product review on this and show you guys um, how this works. Look at this. Can I raise this up a little bit so you guys can see? Alright. Okay, here we go. So, and then it's got like it's got an extra piece in here for like when you, if it's not big enough. It is electric. This is so cool. I'm super excited about that. And then what else is in here? Well, some more hair stuff. My wig bands, because of course every girl has to have some wig bands. Now, of course, I do have some wig bands. I have they're not rubber. It's like silicone. Okay, so this package comes with a little hair scrunchie. It comes with some caps that are not the right, oh, they are the right color. Hello, hello, okay. So you get two really inexpensive scrunchies. You get deluxe wig caps, which has two caps in the package. And then you get two bands. And once I do a proper assessment and review of these, I will tell you guys the price on these and all of the things. But this is going to be so fun showing you guys the new wigs, how to properly install a lace front without glue and all of that stuff like this. I have been waiting to do this for so long. And I also get to show you guys the difference between the silicone and the cloth, which one is more comfortable. Like, this is just going to be great. So I'm super excited for all of this. Okay, guys. I got a few things, didn't I? I got some stuff. Thank you guys for joining my quick little Amazon unboxing. I am super excited for all of the products that I got today. I'll be doing product reviews on all of this stuff. So just stay tuned. We have content coming, you know, in the lifestyle of it all, and I'm super excited and I can't wait. So thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe if you are new. I would love to have you join the family. Okay, village, I am out of here. Be safe out there. Remember to live on purpose, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye, guys.